So first thing we do is to brine our turkey. So we have to submerge this turkey in a seasoned water. So I put a salt, pepper, and a few onions, a little bit of garlic, and black ground pepper. So not everybody really brines the turkey, but you know, when I do a turkey, I like brining them because it does really help giving us that nice moist meat after we cook the turkey. And you know, it is really up to you. It's also just an option. So at this point of time, we have to drain the brine of the turkey that we did overnight. So we have to drain more, just get all this water out, and that's it. So we're just gonna let this turkey set for a few minutes, and while waiting, we can start working with our potatoes. So there is a piece of neck, gizzard, and liver that the turkey comes with, and it is inside the turkey. So we can use it for flavoring our gravy. So we're gonna remove it and put it in a pot and then boil it. So now we can start peeling our potatoes. And we can cut up our potatoes. And now we can drop them in the water and boil it. And then after, you can mash it. So I have mashed already the potatoes, and I apologize that I forgot to take a video. But here I am showing you that I have already put in the toasted breadcrumbs together with the mashed potatoes. So I got the turkey neck, the liver, and the gizzards boiling here. So I'm going to add some onions because we're going to need this flavor for our gravy. Yeah, and as you can see, I included also the peel of the onions because it adds flavor for some reason. So just in case if you guys are wondering. So we're going to saute some onions. Yeah, so we're just gonna saute these onions and celery, and we're going to add a little bit of salt and a black ground pepper. There we go. I got so much things going on here. You see, I'm still not done with the stuffing. I'm just sauteing these onions and the celery for the stuffing. And I got the turkey neck, gizzards, and the liver going in there for our gravy. And this one here is our dessert, which is the lychee flan. So yeah, that's how I do it, guys. When it's a Thanksgiving day, you're cooking in a storm. Alright, so now we're gonna add the onions and the celery with the mashed potatoes and the breadcrumbs mixture for the stuffing. So this stuffing here is a recipe that runs for generations. It comes from my mother-in-law, which she got from her generations too, and she just passed it on to me. So this is what we've been doing for years now. Every time we have an occasion, either Thanksgiving or Christmas, or even just a regular day, we cook turkey here. And I do make the stuffing with my mother-in-law's recipe of the stuffing. So we're going to add a good amount of butter to kind of give some extra flavor there, just like that. It's like a tablespoon, more or less, you know, this. that. And then we're going to add a teaspoon of sage. You don't want to put too much because it's gonna overpower it. If you want to taste the stuffing of how it tastes, you know, you may not be able to really taste the sage a lot, but you know, it's just because the sage hasn't released the flavor yet. So you don't want to put way too much sage in here because you know, the stuffing, when it's not cooked yet, you will not really taste the sage as much till it's completely done or it's completely cooked. So a teaspoon of sage is good enough. So there we go. Our stuffing is ready. We're going to stuff our turkey. So there it is. You see guys, I'm gonna roll this one like this so that I can put it inside. Just like that. I'm gonna push it nice and easy there. So we're gonna stuff this turkey really well, and then after we're going to put it in the oven. This turkey is only about 14 pounds, 14 or 15 pounds. So I think should be good for 3 to 4 hours. We'll see, you know, depends. So stuff this turkey like that. It's nice to have a lot of stuffing, you know, the next day. It won't go bad. Leftover is always good. There you go. So I'm gonna turn this around here so we can also stuff the front. See? In there, inside. Add some more, and then we're gonna put this skin that's hanging. See this flap of skin in here? We're gonna tuck it in to protect the stuffing from coming out, just like that. So now we're gonna flip it back, and since I have a few more here, a few little more left, so we're just gonna put it in there on the top, or we'll see if we can stuff more. There you go. That's it. Just gonna scrape the rest of these things here, and then once we get all this thing done, we're just gonna put this turkey in the oven and we'll bake it for 3 to 4 hours until it's completely done. There. And this is good because it's all nicely closed. Well, I can't close the other legs, so it's okay. Well, I'm gonna try then. I'm gonna try to tuck this thing inside. I don't think it's possible. It's too big. We might. Oh, there you go. Okay. Somehow we managed to tuck in the legs of the turkey. There we go. So now I'm gonna tuck in the wings so that it won't burn. We're gonna tuck these turkey wings. Okay, this one popped out again. There you go. There. All right, now it's time to put the turkey in the oven. So guys, I have now the turkey inside the oven, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of water to the pan. So I like adding a little bit of water to the pan because it helps the turkey to stay moist. This way it won't dry out, right? And I promise it does really work. So you can try it, or you don't have to try it, but that's what I do. So all right, so we're gonna close the oven now and we'll wait for 3 to 4 hours.